This is Jordan from JK and
Kayla
and Nyla
Hey, guys.
and my sorry person. Okay, and we are doing which fidget spinner can spin the longest. So this is like a Brazil fidget spinner, and this one's my Batman one. Batman. Okay, okay. This one's like a
spray paint.
Yeah, spray paint one. We did spray paint it, but it's like that. This one's like a comic monster thing. I don't know what this is. It just looks cool. And let's get started. So we have a stopwatch.
On my phone.
Whatever.
Who cares?
Stopwatch. And we're gonna see which one can spin.
Hold
Okay.
on. Let me get up, kids.
Get your fidget spinners
Who's
ready.
gonna start the timer?
I will.
Okay. Ready? Ready, set, go.
It's good. I think mine's gonna stop first. Oh, this one's already stopping. No, you're blocking the sign. Oh man. Come on, buddy. The comic one's losing right now. Don't give up on me.
And this one is going, and it's about to stop at 28 seconds. That one has 28 seconds.
Why don't you just stop for
This one's slowing down.
Then it's gonna be mine slowing down.
Mine is next, sadly.
Then it's mine
You
next.
little cheaters.
How?
So this one's about to stop
And this one's
at
50 seconds. Oh no, no.
still going 54 seconds. It stopped at 54.
That one's about to stop.
And then this one's about to stop at
Hers was like that and it kept going fast.
we're
at a minute.
and
a minute and 9 seconds.
So
Mine's is about to stop at
mine's the second fastest, guys.
mine is the second slowest. First slowest.
and
Brazil needs to catch up, guys.
at
As soon as you guys post this, my phone
what
is
the heck?
This.
it's still going.
Jordan, we can do this one after.
Um,
Or the thumb one after. And stop.
1 minute and 54 seconds. That's almost 2 minutes. So this one was the fastest,
Second fastest.
Second slowest.
first slowest, or like last
Slow of it.
last
Slow of the
fast.
slow.
So
Now the challenge is
how much?
I have a challenge.
Beast,
See who can do it on their pinky.
yeah.
beast mode.
No.
Let's see who can do it on their pinky.
No. We're not doing
Pinky, whatever.
Oh snap! Let me do it. My finger's hurting right now.
My
It's
friend
like
taught me
this
this
finger, like this one. Got it from basketball. Hurt. Like
I don't think anybody cares.
so. It's kind of hard to spin. So I'm just gonna spin it on the finger.
I'm gonna do it on my thumb.
Do you see how
I'm
the
gonna do it on my hand.
yellow's in the inside and the black are outside? Batman. Yeah, let's go. Wait. And that is basically the end of this video. So please subscribe, comment down below,
Give
and
us a
like
big
this
thumbs
video.
up.
If you can get this video 50 likes, that's not a lot, but
At least
And
it's a
get us a
first
lot.
At least it's a
Get us a lot of subscribers.
yeah.
Okay.
Bye.